Hi, my awesome friends. Today is Collaboration Day and it's Christmas in July. I'll tell you more about the challenge a little later on in the video. So come along and see what I made. Okay, today I'm going to make some clay gingerbread and a gingerbread man and a gingerbread girl. And so the clay I'm using today is Model Magic. This one is called the Earth Tone. I usually put it back in the same packaging, but I just make sure I get all the air out. Like this one here, I've kind of rolled it up and got all the air out. So, and then I put it in a plastic bag on top of that. So, but anyways, so I've already conditioned this clay, and when I say condition, that means I'm just pulling it, stretching it like taffy. That's what you want it to do. Okay, and it being pretty warm. It is perfect because it doesn't take a lot of effort to condition the clay when it's warm. And believe me, it is super warm right now. We're here in California and we are roasting. All right, so I'm just gonna roll out my clay, and I'm just using this little one. I know a lot of other crafters use longer ones, but I don't make huge projects, so this one was perfect. I think I got it on either Amazon or Walmart online. So I'm just rolling out, try to stay within the same thickness all the way around. So, and then I just check and see how far I'm off, and it looks like I'm pretty good. So let me move this way so you can see. I think got some shadows here. All right, so this is my little girl. So she's got like a little dress on. So this is the raw edge, and then this one has where you can put your hands on. You're not going to get cut. And then I just simply place it down, put pressure, and then go all the way around and just make sure I have pressure on all the edges. And then you just pull the clay from around it. Okay, pull it off, and then voila. Look at how cute she is. And then I just take her off my little thing. And look how cute. Boy that I already cut. So then I'll put her right next to him. And she's a little bit smaller, but that's okay. So as you can see, I have made quite a few different buttons in different colors, shapes, and sizes. So one of the things I just wanted to let you know is when you fill up your tray, you put it in the freezer so you can take it out easily. So I just pulled this out, and you see it just pops right off. So, and they're a little wet because it is so hot here. So anyways, I should have started the camera as soon as I took it out, but it's really sweaty. So just be careful when you're pulling them out, because sometimes they like to jump all over the place, and if these get stuck to another piece, if this touches that, it's fused together. So you don't want to. Now look at this one. Look at how this one came out all wacky looking. Doesn't even look like a button. So now I want to take a moment to just introduce you to the collaboration today. It's Christmas in July, crafting pastel gingerbread DIYs. And we have two awesome hosts. The first one is Sarah from Jujubee DIY. Oh my gosh, you guys got to go check out her channel. So much inspiration. And then Jackie from Crafting in Mimi's World. I absolutely love her. She does such amazing crafts. And I don't know where she comes up with all these ideas. So you got to go check her out. And if you are not subscribing to either one of these ladies, please go over and do it. You will not be disappointed. I just wanted to take this moment to say thank you to all my loyal viewers. And if you're not already subscribing, please consider. I'd love to have you part of my YouTube family and have you follow me as I'm on my journey to blossom my own creativity, whether that's being with DIYs, tablescapes. So again, if you're not already following, please consider. And also, if you could please hit that like button, because that tells YouTube that you like my content and you're willing to come back and watch again. And hopefully that will push my video closer to the top, so that I can get more people to be interested. So thank you again for always taking the time to stop by and give me love and support. I do appreciate it. So now on with the video. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I did with those sweater molds. I made a little dress for this one. So I have this design on the top, and then I did a little border of a different design on the bottom. And then I used my little buttons that I just made and put them here. Isn't that cute? So I'll continue and do the face and all that, but I just wanted to show you how I did the little sweater dress. And then you can see this one is sitting here, and I made her like a little sundress. Super cute, huh? So now I'm going to put her buttons on. So there is my next little outfit, the little buttons. Isn't that super cute? And the buttons are not all perfect, but that's okay. That's what's cute about this. So now I'm going to show you how I make the boy outfit. I didn't show you because I can't show you all three. My video will be way too long. So we're going to go ahead and start working on the little boy outfit. So that looks pretty good. So now it has this impression. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer, because remember I said when you put it in the freezer, when it's really cold, it comes up really easy, and then you can cut it, you can manipulate it a lot easier and not lose the impression. Once it gets warm, every time you handle it, you kind of take out that impression look. So you want to get it in the freezer to be able to work with it. You see, I made a little pocket, and because to me those little stripes look funny just hanging out there. Okay, so here is my little family. I've got the little boy and two little girls. And the only thing left to do is put the face on. Okay, so now that I have my gingerbread man and two gingerbread girls, I've got to find a way to display them. So I thought, why not make some little signs? I don't have a Cricut, but I do have some stencils. So I picked up some boards from Dollar Tree, and I cut them down, or my husband cut them down, and I'm putting a stencil. And so the first stencil I'm doing, I thought it'd be really cute to add two of my little gingerbread men and girl, boy and girl. And so I'm just simply doing this quick DIY stencil for you guys, and then you'll see how it turns out. And I'm trying to use as many pastel colors as possible. You know, we're trying to stay away from that red and green traditional Christmas colors. So I thought I did pretty good with the colors that I used. So watch along. Getting for ready for the big reveal. Nervous. Here we go. Oh, it turned out really cute. I was really happy. So you got to stay tuned to see how my little people ended up on that board. Okay, one board down, one more to go because I have 3 little gingerbread. So I've got to make a smaller one for my little girl who's left over. So I thought, how cute would this be to be the cookie tester because she's all alone. And so I pulled out my stencil again and went ahead and tried to use, again, non-traditional Christmas colors. Just trying to stay in that pastel hue, and I think I did pretty good on this one as well. So stay tuned and see how my little girl ended up on this one. Now for the final reveal. I hope you guys like it, and I hope I have inspired you to try using clay. Now I did want to say I stretched it a little too thin, so there were some areas that it cracked, but it's okay. I'm learning. That's why it's called Blossom Your Creativity, because I'm trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work, so I can tell you so you don't make the same mistakes I make. But for my first attempt and making this type of situation, I think I did pretty good. See you next time.